Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
When there was a complete inundation after the period of the Kaksusa Manu, and the whole world was deep within water, the Lord accepted the form of a fish and protected Vaivasvata Manu, keeping him up on a boat. According to Sripad Sridhar Swami, the original commentator on the Bhagavatam, there is not always a devastation after the change of every Manu. And yet this inundation after the period of Kaksusa Manu took place in order to show some wonders to Satyavrata. But Sri Jiva Goswami has given definite proofs from authoritative scriptures, like Vishnu Dharmottara, Markandeya Puran, Harivamsha, etc., that there is always a devastation after the end of each and every Manu. Srila Vishvanatha Cakravarti has also supported Srila Jiva Goswami, and he, Shri Cakravarti, has also quoted from Bhagavatamrita about this inundation after each Manu. Apart from this, the Lord, in order to show special favor to Satyavrata, a devotee of the Lord in this particular period, incarnated himself.